to your Superior Shelby. I'm here with my good friend.
Jay Dinkins, but you can call me Jay Dinkins.
Yes, and he's like an Airbnb king, okay? And he actually teaches me stuff. So make sure you go follow him on Instagram because he got nothing but bars, gems, game on his social media accounts.
What she said.
Yes. So I have one question, all right?
Absolutely.
All right, so tell me about your team in Airbnb. Tell me what it takes to build that team and make it strong.
Okay. Well, the team, when it comes to Airbnb, the good part about it is most of it can be automations. Apps can be part of your team. So the strongest part of your team and your organization when it comes to Airbnb is your cleaning team. Some people like to have co-hosts as well because co-hosts can do all the things like answer messages, make sure the cleaners are there when they're supposed to. But for me, I don't like to use co-hosts. I use apps like Guesty to automate that process. And I use my cleaners to not only clean the unit, but restock on things that I need to.
Right.
And just give me the general communication, like if things are missing in the unit, anything I need upgrades with. So yeah, so the cleaning team is like the most important.
Yeah, so as far as in what you do, a lot of it is automated. Your automations is your team. And the more and more you keep investing or keep watching your numbers, right? Then that builds your entire, structure. I like that.
Absolutely. Cleaning team, you want to throw a handyman in there, and then automations, apps. That's all you really need.
I never thought about a handyman because things happen.
Yeah,
Even if you're doing like a commercial,
You just want to have them on call. You always want to have a handyman on call because if a guest, let's say they break the bed right now, you want to be able to send them over there, get it fixed before the next guest come in.
Like, what's the worst, the most you ever had to pay in tab as far as in trying to get the Airbnb back?
You saw like damages and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, I had some crazy stories.
Really?
Yeah. We got some crazy. We just one of our Airbnbs I think it was yesterday.
Yeah.
They trashed the place. Yeah, so it happens often, but I never worry about that. I always say never get emotionally attached, right? So Airbnb has a good insurance policy.
Yeah.
You get all that stuff.
Oh, Airbnb, the insurance and all that good stuff. Okay, dang, that's crazy. But it's like, how do you just don't you put things in place to where okay, I have this particular condo, I'm not going to allow, I only want these type of people, like a family of 4. Like, there's no place on there we can kind of...
No, you can.
Yeah.
I like to make my money.
Yeah.
I don't get emotionally attached. I don't live there. So I put myself in the best position possible to always be booked.
Okay.
And I do one bedroom. That's my strategy. I get one bedrooms, but for some people, their units only be booked like 16, 18 nights a month. Yeah. My units are always booked over 25 nights every month. And I have 12 units, and there's none of them that are booked less than 25 nights in. So I focus on getting booked. And I don't worry about the part of, I'm only trying to attract this person.
Yeah.
I put my rules in place.
Yeah.
I put my systems in place.
Yeah.
So if anything happens, Airbnb will cover it, and that's all it is.
That's lit.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely.
It's always a pleasure to see you.
Absolutely. All day.
Thanks.